We followed your advice and still lost the case. We got this review that was a real tragic comedy. Yeah, a review of our pro bono work, like that joke. I spent a long time reading the pager, thinking a lot about it. Sorry, what kind of review? Look, we have a pro bono case evaluation. Someone sends it in, anyone, an applicant, a claimant sends it to us, and we respond very superficially, pretty ruthlessly. This doesn't stand up to any criticism. There's no legal advice in there at all. None whatsoever. Basically, it's just about working with logic. We can clarify what evidence there is. We can point out chaos in the timeline. We can highlight disorganization in the narrative. Honestly, sometimes people write in such a way that you can't make heads or tails of it. In short, it's a really good evaluation because it's free and pretty thorough, but at the same time, it's still superficial. It's a kind of superficially deep or deeply superficial evaluation, so to speak. When we work with our client on a case, we first explain it to the client themselves if they don't already know. And here, on this channel, we've been explaining this for 4 years now. The foundation of your case is always the story, always. You can come to court with any stack of evidence you want, any at all. All of that will just go right past and, excuse me, go down the drain if you don't have your story ready. If there are a million questions about your story because nothing is clear, you'll be the one answering for it, right? And sometimes we'll prep in the story with the client, we revise it 15 or 17 times. I mentioned somewhere that it feels like we need to tell the client that we'll be revising the story more than 10 times. Let me explain why. We don't feel sorry for ourselves or anything. When we ask the same thing repeatedly, honestly, many people disregard our time. You highlight questions in red, send them over, and they answer half and delete the rest, as if those questions never existed. But the prosecutor will ask them anyway. We're not just asking random things like, what color are your cat's eyes? We're asking things the prosecutor or judge will ask. We might edit a story 15 to 17 times. I think our record is 20 times. At least that's how it is with my team. I think so. Maybe more. So we didn't set a limit. That initial surface level analysis of the story we send is just the first one. It's probably even a zero draft. It is a zero draft. We go through every paragraph, every single line matters. People come to us, get a free consultation, thinking they're clever. They think, I'll handle it all now. They gave me such great help, and think they'll get every answer right. Just because you were given the questions and guided doesn't mean you can prepare alone. Unfortunately, I'll say it again, we have lawyers, licensed attorneys, and so on, working daily, revising things repeatedly. But go ahead and send it in. We'll review it for free and let you know. Sometimes, as a bonus, we'll even provide potential questions from the prosecutor. Come join us on Telegram.